What is up, y'all? Welcome back. In today's video I will be showing you guys my 3C4A curly hair routine. I'm gonna start off by saturating my hair in some water, and I forgot to record the two or three products that I use in the beginning of the video, so I'll just insert a clip. But I'm going in with this Cowash and just lathering it throughout my hair, and then going in with this scalp scrubber and making sure I'm getting into my scalp, because this does have tea tree oil in it. And honestly, girl, this thing feels amazing. 10 out of 10. Go ahead and grab you some. Now I'm just splitting my hair into 4 sections. I'm gonna be working in 4 sections because my hair was very matted. Like, I'm telling you, this wash day was long overdue. And of course, with brushing curly hair, you want to start from the bottom to the root. So that is what I'm going to be doing throughout this process. Now you about to hear me say postpartum in all of my videos, because baby, postpartum. They were not lying when they said you shed your hair. Baby, you shed like a dog. Now I'm just going in with a brush and making sure I got all of the knots out and making sure the product is getting into my hair. Now I know I used the co-wash, but I'm going to go ahead and go in with a shampoo to really cleanse my scalp, because I felt like it was just very backed up with dirt. Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my... Now I'm just washing the product out of my hair, and I'm going to follow up with the matching conditioner. I believe it's a deep conditioner. I'm not too sure. I'll insert a picture here. But on top of that, I will be going in with the Palmer's Olive Oil Deep Conditioner as well for some extraness. After applying the products, I'm going to go in with a comb and comb through my hair one more time, just to make sure that the product is really getting in there. Now, one of the products say leave it in for 5 minutes, the other one says leave it in for 3, but I'm gonna leave it in for 3 because I do not have time for that. After 3 minutes, more like 2.5, I am now gonna wash the deep conditioner out of my hair, and then we're gonna move on to the products. Now this is the Miel Avocado and Tamanu. I don't know. It's a curl protector, anti-frizz. I love this stuff. It smells amazing. So I'm going to start by dividing my hair, of course, and then applying it onto the bottom layer of my head. And I tried a new method I saw on TikTok about a girl. She was just like pulling the strands, not really twirling it, but pulling it. I'm not sure what the term is called, but I tried it. Now we're going to go in with the Shea Moisture Intense Hydration Twist Defining Custard. Almost ran out of breath. But I'm just doing the same process throughout my entire head with all of these products, section by section. This is just me realizing that I literally forgot a product that was sitting right in front of my face. This is the Camille Rose Rice Milk and Macadamia Oil. This stuff also smells amazing. It smells like a milkshake, and I love it. No, because let's really get into it. It's giving the girls a moisturized and defined, and we're not even done. So I'm going to go in with this mousse. This stuff was like $15, girl. But $15 well spent. I'm literally almost done with it. So with the mousse and the gel, I do not apply it section by section, but rather spontaneously putting it throughout my hair and making sure I just scrunch it in. This is just a gel that I use. I know a lot of girls use the Eco one and I really want to try it out, but I'm just going to apply that throughout my hair just to lock in the moisture and the curls. Then I'm going to go in with one of those head wrap towels, and then my camera died. So here we are hours later after air drying. This is all air dry. So with my diffuser, I really just try to focus on getting my roots dry. And in a second, you will see that I split my hair in half. I find that this works so much better for me, and I tend to notice a difference on how my hair turns out in the end. This entire process took about 10 to 15 minutes. I personally feel like this is the most time-consuming part of the whole routine. These products eat. Like, look at the curl definition, look at the shine, look at the moisture. Like, let's really get into it. Now I just do a little shaky shake with my head. I don't know why I do this. I just feel like it does something, and I'm gonna just let it be. And then I go in and I flip my head upside down and I diffuse my hair upside down as well. Now you would think my hair was dry by now. Wrong. It was still a little damp. Alright y'all, so that concludes today's video. If you liked it, be sure to go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more from me, go ahead and subscribe. It'll be motivation for me to keep going. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.